Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to append percentage in your certificate. Just look at the form. I've opened only Google Forms. Here I'm taking the blank form. So here by clicking the blank it will open. So here we need to download by clicking the add-ons. So here you need to download the Certify EM add-on. In previous video I already told. So here I'm already downloaded. So for this downloading Certify EM application, here we need to click it. After that, click the Certify EM. Enable Certify EM in this quiz. Just click that. Enable Certify EM in this quiz. So it will automatically, it will enable. So it will take the time 2-3 minutes. Then you need to click the Get Started. So it will enable the Certify EM quiz, Certify EM for your quiz. Okay. So here valid email address and full name. Suppose if you want to add something here, other identifier, full name. This is the default question. What is the color of the sky? So here full name, other identifier. If you want to add some more thing, just copy it. Just copy, duplicate it. So it will duplicate it. Suppose if you want to full name and institute and branch, whatever, if you want to add contact number, you just duplicate it. So these are all called other identifiers. Just remember it. The first is full name and these are all other identifiers. Okay. So after that, you need to turn on this certificate link. So it needs to be turned on. Otherwise it won't work. So it will also take the time. The Certify EM will turn on. Okay, it will link to your examination. And here in pass percentage, you just keep how much percentage if you want to keep 70, 75, 50. So just keep 40, 30. None also you can keep. Okay, 50. And here in templates, you can take anything, golden or whatever, and custom template also you can use here. If you want to use your own certificate, you can also use it. Okay, so this is, so before going into this custom template using, so here how to use the certificate, you need to create it in Google Slides just by clicking the reverse button here. Docs, sheets, slides and forms, these are the 4 options we will get. So we need to go to the slides. So we need to go to the slides. Here in presentation, any certificate you can use. Otherwise use the blank presentation. And here you just create using your emblems or logos. You can paste it by using the insert image or upload from computer. You can paste it. It will take so much time. So basic some certificate design you can download it from by using Canva application or Certify EM application. In previous video, please watch that video also, how to create a certificate. Here one certificate I have downloaded. You can use any certificate image. In image form only you need to use. So here this is the one certificate. So here after using this certificate, just click it like this. Okay, here. So here wherever the blank spaces are there, here we need to append the tags. So like this, just text box, write the text box. So what in certificate, what information you want to impose. That means the full name you want to impose in flower brackets. These are the tags. Okay, full name without any spaces you need to give full name, and with like this you need to close the with the 2 flower brackets, comma, and what other identifiers you want to give. Suppose in your form, Google form, institute and branch also you want to give, just you write other identifiers, other identifiers, other identifiers. Okay, so see whether it is finished correctly or not. See the line is correct or not, you just check it. Okay, If you want to change, you just move it like this, so it will be moved. Okay, so like this you can do this. Okay, this is the full name and other identifiers. All other identifiers information will be coming here. Only two brackets you need to give, that is two flower brackets without any spaces. And here I have given a participated and secured the percent. So here if you want to give the percent, just here also one text box you just impose. Okay, and here in flower brackets percent. Okay, it needs to be placed very in a correct position, otherwise the percent will print there. Okay, just check it. Okay, the percent in the line only, it is in correct position only. Okay, just here these are the tags we can append: full name, other identifiers, that means institute and branch name, and percent also it can append. Here if you want to append the date also, if you want to append, so just use it. Date value also you can just impose the work here. Okay, just write date and just, so here what you need to append: date in flower brackets, just leave it. So date will print here. If you want to keep if you want to place it correctly, so you can place it anywhere, you can append it, not at this place only, you can append it any place. Okay, the date will display here. And the signs also, if you want to, these are the basic certificate design I downloaded from somewhere. Here I am imposing that is images. Suppose if you want to import the image from computer, okay, sign I want to give. Okay, your HOD sign or any sign if you want to give, so here in downloads you just download it. Okay, suppose in principal sign I have here. Okay, open, so you just keep it here. So here by right clicking you can just rotate and reset the image also, you can click, so it will reset it. Okay, so by clicking like this, principal sign, it will be imposed here like this, imported here like this. Okay, so here if you want to change the place also, you can change it. So just, okay, so these are the signs you can do it. These are the full name and other identifiers, percent and date I have imposed. Okay, so it will automatically saved in Google Slides. Okay, by clicking the arrow button here, this is saved as an untitled presentation. You can save it with the name also, untitled presentation. Okay, you can save it with the name also. It will be once again we will see whether it is correctly slide. Okay, this is the untitled. So here just change the name untitled for quiz. So it will automatically saves in Google Drive. Okay, so just by clicking this arrow button, we'll go to the forms. We will go to the forms. This is the form. What here we have enabled this certify. Okay, that full name, other identifier we need to give, that is what is your designation, whatever you want to give. This is designation, and here I just want to give other identifier, institute. Okay, institute. So like that it will be saved. Okay, so after that, by looking at the preview, just click the preview, it will show. So here also you need to customize this also: email address, full name, designation, institute, and what is the color of the sky it has been. Okay, So this is okay, perfect. Here if you want to change exam name, so quiz 1, and here whatever you want to write, you write, otherwise no need of writing anything. Okay, so this is the total points is 1. Here it has been given. Okay, so by sending this to anybody, so just here gmail.com. Okay, okay, so the response has been sent. Okay, and here in advance, here what you need to certify show the certify controls. Here custom template. Okay, we already saved in Google Slides. Custom template. Okay, select a new file. What you have saved, this is the quiz. For quiz, just select it and save changes. Okay, in advanced, go there. Okay, the message what you want to, thanks for your submission, your certificate will come, and you want to send who, what is your email address. Okay, your email address, subject, what you want to write, and if you want to write something in. Okay, and if you want to send an email if the person failed in exam also, if you want to send, you just click it, otherwise no need. Okay, certificate, and if you are clicking it, you need to write what is the subject of that particular. If you fail, sorry, you failed your examination, like this, otherwise no need. And certificate format is PDF, you can send it an image. And here email, if you want to send the certificate by email, only 100 emails will be remaining. Okay, every day quota is 100. If your quiz will attempted more than 100 students or persons, you just share Google Drive, no email is sent. You just do this also, otherwise you can send it to email also. This is your wish. Okay, save changes. Okay, here after this, so I'm just looking at my mail ID, that is equal to Gmail. Okay, we will see, let me see what will happen. In my mail ID it is quiz1. Okay, so I have invited, certificate is now turned on for your examination. It will, the message will come. Okay, fill out the form. Okay, your email address you need to give the correct email.com, your name. Okay, and designation. Okay, institute, ABCD. Okay, so here I'm attempting the quiz, that is blue. Okay, and submit. Okay, thanks for your submission, you passed, you will get receive a printable certificate. Here you can change it also. Okay, so by going to my mail ID, I will wait for a minute, certificate needs to come. Okay, see, congrats Veena, you passed, your certificate has been arrived. See, Veena, professor, ABCD, so 100% you secure, date is 15/6, and these are the certificates. So like this you can append the date and score of your particular certificate.